Alright guys, welcome back to Walking Dead. Sorry for not any recent upload on The Walking Dead. I've been very busy with finals and crap and looking for a job and agent for the summer, but here I am again. I know you guys missing me, but yeah, let's see what we gotta do.
Hello. Glad I got to use her today. My girl here.
This place is solid. You run this place, you just won't call?
You really like that guy.
What's not to like?
True.
Not much, I guess.
Exactly.
You guys are pretty out in the sticks here.
Hard to find.
You get many visitors?
Not anymore. Bandits, of course. Used to get these school kids on tours back before the dead time.
Oh.
How do you run this place with just one cow?
Used to have more. They get hungry too. Or sick. Got your doctor friend here now, though.
You guys must trade for a lot of fuel to keep the generators running, right?
People get hungry, and a few loaves of bread fetch a high price. Y'all are luckier on this side of the deal now.
I'm gonna go wait for supper then.
It'll be a good one.
He's a creep. He sound like a creep.
All fixed. That should make everyone happy.
Alright, let's see what's going on over here. On this side. I don't want to leave, I think I'm going in this fence. Alright, let's see what's going on.
It's okay, Clementine. You can pet her.
It's a cow.
It's okay, go ahead.
Whoa. Katja says Mabel could have her baby tonight.
We'll see, Clementine.
What's this thing?
Daddy said it's called a salt lick. Yeah, but don't lick it. It's gross.
Did you lick it?
I don't know.
Oh my god. Clementine. Here, your hat.
Here, Clementine.
My hat! You found it! I knew you'd find it. You said you would.
Listen, did you give your hat to anyone?
No,
Did you see any strangers around the motor inn who might have taken it?
no. Why?
It's probably nothing. Just let me know if you ever see anything like that.
Okay, I will. Hey, Lee. Do you think you'll ever have kids?
Oh.
I don't know. I haven't thought about having kids in a long time.
Well, thanks for finding my hat.
You're welcome, Clem.
Do you want to pet
Clemmy,
the cow with me?
Nah, but you go on ahead.
Alright, let's see what's going on over here. Wait. Oh, these are just whatever.
Hey there, Andy.
Yeah?
How's the cow?
Well, better now we got Doc on the case.
Nice.
When do you think, we might eat?
Hungry, huh? Don't worry. Mama's cooking up some good grub.
We met this woman up in the woods. She seemed to know your brother.
Yeah, he probably talks a little more than he oughta.
Thanks.
Yep.
Alright, let's see. You go out to this boy.
You found it too, huh? Lee, they're hiding something behind this door. I got a quick look. They got boxes of stuff and something metal and sharp.
Oh
Don't
shit.
get paranoid.
It's my job to be paranoid, Lee. I got my whole family on this farm right now. How about you? What about Clem?
I'll protect her no matter what.
I know you will. Look, that guy with Katya, what's his name? He locked it up real tight the second we came in. I definitely heard a noise back there, Lee.
What?
My point is, we gotta know for sure. So go find a hammer or something and I'll have this thing off in a second. You back me up in case them farmers come running.
Hang on, man. Think this through. You smashed the lock. Then what if it turns out you're wrong? You just fucked your chance to get a good meal in those kids you're trying to protect. Use your head, Kenny.
All right, Professor, what'd you have in mind?
Let me have a look at what we're dealing with first.
Hey, Lee, you know how to pick a lock, right?
No. Why would you say that?
Well, you're, urban?
You racist?
Oh, you are not saying what I think you're saying.
Jesus, man, I'm from Florida. Crazy shit just comes out of my mouth sometimes. Sorry.
What? See those screws? Instead of breaking the padlock, we can just take off the assembly, have a peek inside, and then replace it all again like nothing ever happened.
All right, sounds like you got a plan. I'll hang around and keep an eye on that guy with the cow.
Andy.
Shit, I thought that was Danny. Whatever.
Can I help you boys find something?
Oh shit. YOLO.
What's behind this door, Andy?
Just tools. We keep it locked so the people in the woods don't try and grab them. But we'd be dead without them. Hey, do me a favor. Don't fuck around with this door, okay? Just, Mama gets nervous.
Andrew, I need your help again.
No problem. Right away, Doc.
Oh shit, he's hiding something. Distract Andy to get him out the barn. Alright.
Hey there, Andy.
Yeah?
Danny mentioned he needed something.
Did he say what?
Shit, I can't remember now. Sorry.
All right. Be right back, Doc.
Oh shit. Get the screwdriver. Oh wow, where's the screwdriver? Alright, I'm gonna need to check on these things. Wait, what?
Empty.
Nope. I gotta go check the last stable. See what he's hiding. Probably hiding something. What the fuck? A wheelbarrow.
Looks like a bunch of old dirty clothes. Ooh, smells pretty foul.
Anything else? No. Let's look at this.
I want to play in the hay.
Just stay close to your mom for now.
Okay.
Damn it, duck. Looking for the screwdriver, man.
It's a feeding trough.
Where the fuck is it? Come on, I can't find it. Is it in here?
Just some fence posts.
No. Any in here? Damn, I gotta go outside to the two bots. I think there's a two bots outside, isn't it?
False alarm. I'm back.
Fuck! Fuck, I fucked up.
So, how does a woman like yourself run this whole place?
Oh, I managed just fine. Plus, I had my boys to help out. I couldn't do it without them.
Fucking Larry. Is that two bots over there? I just saw. No.
If a couple of tools out in the open is as unsafe as it gets, we'll be fine here. Would have been nice to have one of these back at the motor inn.
Two bots. Is that the two bots? Let's see the two bots. Is any screwdriver in here?
I'm just gonna borrow this for a second.
I need a screwdriver. I can't find a screwdriver, man. Sitting. No. I gotta be up there.
Mark is okay in there.
Fucking Larry trying to be perverted. Fuck.
We'll finish talking later.
You been getting along with Larry?
He's just a big old sweetheart, ain't he?
Don't know if I would have used those words exactly.
Don't judge, honey. This world is bringing out the worst in people. But if you really look, you'll catch a glimpse of humanity every now and then.
How's Mark doing in there?
Best patient I ever had. Oh, my boys get so much as a scratch and start hollering. He can definitely teach them a thing or two about being tough.
I'd still like to check on him.
You're gonna have to trust me on this, Lee. I've helped stitch my share of wounds. I know what I'm talking about.
Alright.
Think I'll go have a look around.
Kinda peaceful out here, ain't it? Enjoy it while you can. You'll probably start hearing those monsters frying against the fence before too long.
I can't find a screwdriver. It's pissing me off. Something like right here or something.
They're storing gasoline all over the property.
What's over here? Talk to Larry. Let's talk to Larry. Let's see what he got to say. Taking too long.
So Larry, it looks like you're getting along with Brenda pretty well.
You know, for a nice change of pace, how about you try and minding your own fucking business?
Fuck you, bitch.